Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with our daily insights designed to help you navigate the world of finance. Here are the 7 key takeaways. Why you should not keep your cash in the bank. 7 hidden assets that will explode your wealth. Precious metals. Gold, silver, and other precious metals are emphasized as crucial for wealth preservation, acting as hedges against inflation and economic uncertainty. Their intrinsic value and universal acceptance make them vital for a balanced investment portfolio and generational wealth transfer. Stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. These are highlighted as essential for achieving substantial returns through dividends and capital appreciation. A diversified portfolio across various sectors can reduce risks and enhance returns, providing a solid foundation for wealth accumulation and legacy building. Bonds. Fixed income securities like bonds provide lower risk and a steady income, essential for balancing an investment portfolio. They contribute to portfolio stability and ensure a continuous income stream, which is crucial for long-term financial planning. Insurance policies. Life and other insurance policies are vital for protecting wealth and ensuring financial stability for heirs in unforeseen circumstances. They play a critical role in estate planning and securing financial future for generations. Safe haven currencies. Investing in stable and widely trusted currencies such as the US dollar, Swiss franc, and Japanese yen is recommended during times of economic uncertainty to preserve and potentially increase wealth. Art and collectibles. This niche investment in items like vintage cars, rare art pieces, and limited edition watches can diversify an investment portfolio and be both culturally enriching and financially rewarding. Real estate. Owning property is portrayed as a classic strategy to build wealth through capital appreciation and rental income, offering various levels of involvement and potential return, from residential to commercial and industrial properties. Bonus: 7 practical tips and examples on why you should not keep your cash in the bank. 7 hidden assets that will explode your wealth. Precious metals. Tip: use precious metals like gold and silver as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Example: allocate a small portion of your investment portfolio, for example, 5–10%, to precious metals. Consider buying physical gold or silver bars, or investing in a precious metals ETF for easier liquidity. Stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. Tip: diversify your investments across various asset classes and sectors to spread risk and enhance potential returns. Example: create a balanced portfolio with a mix of stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. Regularly contribute to a broad market index fund and a few sector-specific funds like technology or healthcare. Bonds. Tip: incorporate bonds into your portfolio to provide stability and steady income. Example: purchase a mix of government and corporate bonds, or invest in a bond mutual fund or ETF to receive regular interest payments while maintaining easy liquidity. Insurance policies. Tip: protect your financial stability and provide for your heirs in case of unforeseen circumstances. Example: invest in term life and disability insurance to ensure your family's financial needs are covered in your absence. Consider a whole life insurance policy as part of your estate planning. Safe haven currencies. Tip: keep a portion of your assets in stable and widely trusted currencies to preserve capital during market volatility. Example: open foreign currency accounts or invest in currency ETFs for currencies like the US dollar, Swiss franc, and Japanese yen. Art and collectibles. Tip: add unique value to your portfolio by investing in items that potentially appreciate over time. Example, collect rare art pieces from emerging artists or invest in vintage cars and luxury watches, ensuring proper authentication and maintenance to preserve their value. Real estate. Tip: use real estate investments for both capital appreciation and generating rental income. Example, purchase rental properties in high-demand areas or consider real estate investment trusts, REITs, if you prefer not to manage properties directly. And now, find out how to build wealth from nothing. 13 finance tips that will change your life. See you there.